Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to round corners in Google Slides in 2026 for both shapes and images. Rounded corners make your slides look cleaner, more modern, and honestly just more professional. Mm. So yeah, let's walk through the whole process step by step. First, let's start with shapes. Open your Google Slides file and insert any shape you want by going to Insert, then Shape, and picking a rectangle, square, callout, whatever fits your design. Once the shape is on your slide, click on it. You'll see a small yellow diamond handle on the shape's edge. This is the corner rounding control. Now just click and drag that yellow diamond inward. The more you drag it, the more rounded your corners become. If you want softer corners, pull it just a little. If you want a full pill shape or almost a circle, drag it more. You can adjust it anytime, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. Next, let's talk about rounding corners on images. This is the part people always ask about. Click your image to select it, then go up to the toolbar and choose the mask image icon. It looks like a crop symbol with a shape inside. Open the shape options and select the rounded rectangle mask. Your image instantly becomes rounded and yeah, it looks way cleaner. If you want to adjust how rounded the image corners are, click the image again and use the same yellow diamond handle that appears. Just like with shapes, drag it in to make the corners softer or keep it subtle with a slight curve. You can still crop, resize, or reposition the image without messing up the rounded effect. For even more control, you can add a border to your rounded image or shape. Just use the border settings in the toolbar. Adjust the thickness, color, or dash style. Rounded corners with a thin border always look super polished. Here's another tip. If you want multiple images or shapes to have the exact same rounded look, format one item first. Then right-click and choose Format Options, copy those settings, and paste them onto the other items using Paste Format. This keeps your whole slide visually consistent. Before wrapping up, preview your slide in present mode so you can see how everything looks without the editing outlines. Sometimes the rounded corners appear even smoother during the actual presentation. So yeah, that's the full 2026 guide to rounding corners in Google Slides, both for shapes and images. Once you start using rounded elements, your slides instantly look more modern and intentional. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and happy